Mitzvahs HAGBAHA Torah. Shulchan Aruch Simen Kuv Lamed Dalet Seif Beis. Mare Pnei Ksiva Sefer Torah Loam. Mitzvah al kol anoshim venoshim lirois haksav velichroya. It's a mitzvah everybody to see the ksav and to bend down b'shas you see the ksav. Veloimar v'zois haTorah. In many sidurim is printed v'zois haTorah asher som Moshe lifnei bnei Yisrael al pi Hashem biyad Moshe. And this is actually two separate psukim. The first pasuk is in verse Chanan. V'zois haTorah asher som Moshe lifnei bnei Yisrael. It says by the Ore Miklat before the Seres Hadibris. Al pi Hashem biyad Moshe is actually the end of a different pasuk. In Parshas Ba'aloischo, al pi Hashem yachanu ve'al pi Hashem yisou es mishmeres Hashem shomoru al pi Hashem biyad Moshe. So the Tzidurim Ameduyokim, they make a soif pasuk by Lifnei Bnei Yisrael. But Afal Pikein, there's a problem that the end al pi Hashem biyad Moshe is only a partial chelik of a pasuk. And we have a klal, the Gemara says in Megillah, Daf Chof Beis, kol pasuk de loi posak Moshe anon loi paskinan. That's a loshon brought in the poskim, and this is brought down two places in Masechta Tanis Chof Zayin Amud Beis, in Megillah Chof Beis Amud Aleph, and the loshon is kol psuko de lo poskei Moshe anon loi paskinan lei. Same thing says in Masechta Brochos Yud Beis Amud Beis, kol parshe de posko Moshe Rabbeinu paskinan, de lo posko Moshe Rabbeinu loi paskinan. So how is it that we by HAGBAHA Torah we are married Ksav and we do something which is neget the Mesoiras Moshe? We say in front of the Sefer Torah, have a pasuk. We are over on kol psuko de lo poskei Moshe and non lo paskinan lei. This kasha is meyuchas to Rab Chaim Mivolozhin, the Talmud Muvig of the Gra, and Sefer Shar Horachamim from the Gra brings down that the meaning was to say the entire pasuk al pi Hashem yachnu ve'al pi Hashem yisou it's mishmeres Hashem shomoru al pi Hashem biyad Moshe, and that is the way it's printed in the Siddur from the Vilna Gaon. Also, the Siddur from the Baratanya bezois haTorah shesom Moshe lifnei bnei Yisrael. That's the meaning from the Sephardim and from the Teimanim. So we have the Gra, which is the poisik from the Ashkenazim. We have the Baratanya, the poisik from the Chassidim. We have the Sfardim. So where does it come, this meaning to say al pi Hashem biyad Moshe? Some bring down that the meaning was that the Tzibur used to say bezois haTorah asher som Moshe lifnei bnei Yisrael, and the Bal HAGBAHA says al pi Hashem biyad Moshe, saying that this is not my Torah, it's the Torah's Moshe. And afterwards it became one big nusach. But Afal Pikein is very shver to understand. How can you say have a posuk? Same kasha the Chassam Sofer, many ask, by Kiddush we say Yom HaShishi Vaychul HaShamayim. Yom HaShishi is actually the end of the posuk before. So the Chassam Sofer says you should say Vayhi Erev Vayhi Boiker Belachash Yom HaShishi. And that is not enough because the posuk starts Vayar Elokim Es Kol Asher Osa V'Hi Netov Me'oid Vayhi Erev Vayhi Boiker Yom HaShishi. So the Medagdekim say the entire posuk, and it's start saying loud from Yom HaShishi, and the idea is to be merames in the 35 words of Kiddush and 35 words of the Brocha, altogether 70, and Yom HaShishi is 72 Keminyan Chesed, like the Mogen Avram brings down. So some say that by here by Boiker is enough because by Snachto is considered at Kol Posuk the Posak Moshe. Moshe Rabbeinu stopped over there. Same thing by Hallel, we say Ono Hashem Moshe Ono, Ono Hashem Moshe Ono, even though that's only a half a Posuk. But by a Snachto you'll have to be Meiko. That's the case. Over here we don't have a Snachto, we have a Zokev Cotton. Al pi Hashem Yachanu al pi Hashem Yisou es mishmeres Hashem Shomoru, that's Zokev Cotton. Al pi Hashem biyad Moshe. So Zokev Cotton sometimes is considered a hefsek. Just like a Snachto makes like a soft Posuk, and a soft Posuk is mehapech hapatoch into a kometz, and also is mehapech milera to mile'el. Most of the time, Zokev Cotton has the same halachos. If the word is bayis, the soif posuk, we say boyis. The same thing by Snachto, and the same thing is by Zokev Cotton. Yelit boyis ubmiknas kesef. Pashas Lech Lecho Yud Zayin Yud Beis. The Moshe we say bore pri hagofen, soif posuk. The Sfardim say bore pri hagefen. I think the Yerushalmi brings down that the omein is a chelik of the brocha. The lechoyer should be an afkemino if somebody is listening or not. So in Shalshin Shuvas Chassam Sofer or Chaim Simen Yud b'Shem Sefer Yochin Boyas, the klal of kol psuka de lo poskei Moshe non lo paskinan lei is only where there is no snach Machto Oi Zokef Kuton. With this, we are able to be metares the minig oilom to say Al Pi Hashem Biyad Moshe, even though it's only part of the posuk, but since it's after a Zokef Kuton, you are allowed to be mafsik. Afal became minig Roiv Klal Yisrael is not to say that part of the posuk. Kaf HaChaim brings down from Rav Chaim Vital, B'shas Hagba, you're supposed to be mared eksav, shod eksav, and the tzibur is supposed to look for a word that starts with his name. Lemoshel, if his name is Avraham, you should look for a word that starts with a aleph. If his name is Avraham Moshe, you should look for a word that starts with a aleph and a word that starts with a mem. And if his name is Hanania Yontev Lipo, you should look for a word that starts with a ches and with a yud and with a lamet. And this is as gulav to be mispalel by the Sefer Torah, and that's why the Balhag was supposed to show the Ksav. Why Dafke they say the posuk of Al Pi Hashem Yachnu Ve'Al Pi Hashem Yisou? Poshup Pshat means because that's when the Oron Kodesh is being opened and the Sefer Torah is moving around. B'derech Remez, that posuk is begematria 3,188. That's the amount of letters in the Tefillin Shel Yad and the Tefillin Shel Rosh. 1594 in each Tefillin, altogether 3188. And since Tefillin hukshu kol haTorah kulo to that mitzvah, we say a posuk that is merames of the mitzvah's Tefillin shehukshu kol haTorah kulo leTefillin. In Medrash Priya says, Ein menichin Tefillin elo beShabbos. The word Shabbos is begematria 1188. How? Shin is Shin Yud Nun, Beis is Beis Yud Tov, and Tov is Tov Yud Vov. 1188. If you add 2000, can I get the 2000 amos of Tchum Shabbos, Alpaim Amo. Beis Alofim Shabbos is 3188. That's the amount of oasis in Tefillin, 3188. And the siman is Be Shabbos, Beis Alofim Shabbos. That's Medrash says, Ein menichin Tefillin elo Be Shabbos. You must have in the Pashas Tefillin Be Shabbos oasis, Beis Alofim Shabbos, 3188. And that is the posuk that we say by HAGBAHA, Al Pi Hashem Yachanu, Ve'Al Pi Hashem Yisou, Es Mishmeres Hashem Shomoru, Pi Hashem Biyad Moshe, Begematria Shabbos. This posuk is by the Ore Miklat. And the Ore Miklat comes of a shoygek. If somebody learns Torah, is nishmar from shegiyas, a fil of a shoygek. So we say the posuk by HAGBAHA, Zois HaTorah Shersom Moshe Livnei Bnei Yisrael, that we should be zoiche to be nizar a fil of a shoygek.